Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious pumpkin flan. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 15 ounces of pureed pumpkin, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 7 eggs, 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 box of spice cake mix, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of sugar. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by grabbing our baking dish or a skillet and just make sure that it's big enough for a bun pan to fit. And also make sure that you fill it up halfway with water. So we're going to place our skillet in the oven. And now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so first we're going to begin by making our pumpkin flan. So in a large bowl, we're going to add 4 eggs. We're going to beat them. Okay, into that we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk. Our pumpkin puree. Our evaporated milk, our pumpkin pie spice, and vanilla extract. So now we're just going to mix everything together until it's nice and combined. Alright, so once we have everything nice and combined, we're just going to set it to the side and we're going to make our caramel. Okay, so now we're going to make our caramel, but before we do that, we're going to spray our bun pan. So just use some baking spray. Make sure that you get everything. And with the paper towel, just remove the excess. Alright, so once we have that, now we can make our caramel. So we're going to grab a small frying pan. We're going to set it on low heat and we're going to add our sugar. So now we're just going to melt it until it's nice and golden. Alright, so just allow it to melt. Alright guys, so once it begins to melt, lift it off the heat and mix it so it can all melt evenly. Okay, so once we have our sugar all nice and golden, now we're going to transfer it into our bun and pan. So just transfer it. Now just move it around. Just move it all around the bun pan. Okay, so we're just going to allow it to harden before we add our flan. Okay guys, so after a few seconds, we're going to add our flan on top of our caramel. Alright, so now we're going to place it in our oven. Okay, so just be careful. Okay, now we're going to bake for 40 minutes. Alright guys, so after the 40 minutes, we can begin to make our cake mix. So just follow the instructions on the cake box. So just use the milk instead of water. And the oil. Alright, so once we have our cake mix batter, now we're going to get our flan out of the oven. Make sure you're careful. Okay, now we're just going to add our cake mix batter on top of our flan. So now just even it out. Okay, so now just grab a piece of foil, spray it with some baking spray, and just place it on top of our cake and cover it. Okay, so now we're going to put it back in our oven. And we're going to bake for 43 minutes. Alright guys, so after 43 minutes, our pumpkin flan should be done. So we're going to remove it from the oven. So just be careful. And of course you can poke it with a toothpick just to make sure that it's fully cooked. So just remove the foil. Poke it. And it's cooked. So I'm just going to remove it from the water so like that it could cool down faster. Alright, so now we're just going to wait for it to cool down and then we can flip it over. Alright guys, so after an hour and 15 minutes, it's safe for us to flip our cake over. So I'm just going to grab my tray and flip it over. Just like that. And now for the fun part. So just hold it, it's coming, and release. How beautiful. All right, and of course you can allow it to fully cool down and then you can put it in the refrigerator and then wait to serve it. But if you're like me that like it warm, then right now it's the perfect time to cut into it. So now for the fun part. So let's cut our cake. Ooh, delicious. All right, so I'm just going to top it with some whipped cream. But just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious pumpkin flan. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, I hope you give this recipe a try and share it with your family on the upcoming holidays. Let me tell you that it's seriously the best. I'm just going to top it with a little whipped cream, and to be honest, you don't need it, but you know, makes the cake look cute. Alright, so I'm going to take a bite. And look at that. I'm being shy. The cake just fell apart. Alrighty guys, now we're ready. Se les antojó. But okay, let's get a piece. And there's my cake. Let me tell you that honestly, you guys, this cake is not too sweet. I think it's just the perfect, and you know, the spice cake goes perfect with the pumpkin flan. It's just the best combination, honestly, the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Oh my god, I think I'm just trying to take a big bite. It fell again. Okay, hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Seriously, the best. It's super delicious. And like I said, it's not too sweet. It's just the perfect combination. You know, you get to enjoy every single bite without getting thirsty. I need a bigger plate. Put that in. Alrighty guys, but I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Like I said, it's seriously the best. Every bite is enjoyable, so delicious, and it's just perfect for fall and all the upcoming holidays. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious pumpkin flan. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.